Why does your scanner show the P2483 engine code, and what does it mean? P2483 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature, EEGT, sensor circuit range or performance, Bank 1, Sensor 5. This error code indicates that the engine control module, ECM, has detected an abnormal or out-of-range signal from the exhaust gas temperature, EGT, Sensor 5 on Bank 1, indicating the sensor or its circuit is not operating as expected. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGT sensor, damaged wiring, exhaust leaks, poor electrical connection, faulty ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, Audi, Chevrolet, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.